Terrible, guys. I guess
I guess y'all know y'all fucked up, right?
very,
Yeah, y'all,
very.
yeah, y'all fucked up.
I mean, like, it's just tragic. Like, what was
Tragic.
you thinking? Trying to battle against us?
Us? Fuck us?
Nigga, this Mario and Luigi.
Smash Brothers.
I
Come
mean,
on
like,
now.
are you retarded?
Let's get real.
I mean, like, I guess I'm gonna have to use a Beta Sigma Rotan. You might have shut on that one.
You shut us down.
You shut us
you
down.
shut me down.
You shut.
You shut me down.
That was sickening.
Yeah, that was
goddammit.
sickening. Hey, that was some sickening words. Hell no.
Fuck that.
Fucking sickening
I mean,
words. What
Kelsey,
the hell?
what the hell was you doing?
Kelsey. What you get your hair done? Who the fuck was doing your hair?
What hair, goddamn?
What nigga? Who did it the first
Nigga,
time?
you had an inch. It was like my motherfucking eyebrows was
I
getting
swear.
curved. Goddamn it. I don't know what
the
you did.
hell?
I mean,
You
China.
talking shit?
China?
China?
Out of all people, China.
Hold on. Was we even talking about y'all on the last
like-
motherfucking video?
No, we wasn't.
We was not.
Who names themselves Ching Ching?
Ching
Ching Ching and K-Ray. What the fuck?
K-Ray.
You damn Cajun food or something?
K-Ray.
Ching Ching. Ching Ching.
Ching chong. Ching chong. What the fuck?
Hell no. I don't believe y'all.
I don't believe. Hey,
I don't believe
hey,
y'all.
hey, I don't. Hey, hey.
This is terrible to
I
me,
don't.
man.
I don't understand.
So now,
man.
what we about to do? We about to go in on y'all.
You know?
Because I just don't understand. The reason why we fucking use our words is because we motherfucking came up with that shit. And that's what we do.
Blonde Nigga Nation is a movement, motherfucker.
It's not just no 15 niggas wearing the
15
blonde
niggas
strip.
doing it.
That's some freak ass
That
niggas.
ain't no freaky. It's freaky, motherfucker. I ain't know nobody say no damn freak, eh? Who the
Yeah.
fuck? You know damn well we don't say that shit.
And
We can say how the fuck we want to.
Thank you very much.
That country ass slang your ass got K-Ray.
Freak A. You
Talking
can't even spell.
talking out your nose and shit.
Yeah, that freak A ass niggas.
You can't even breathe, motherfucker.
Thank you very much. I'm just saying, this shit is just ruthless. Now you being ruthless.
And ching ching.
Ching ching.
You
Now,
just
I just don't know. How you feel about this, man?
Man, I just don't even know, man. I mean, we going in on these. We ain't even say nothing to them, and they just went in on the realest motherfuckers walking on campus.
And we wasn't even going in on y'all.
You see this
we
motherfucker?
was just going on about Bethel slang.
You see this chain? We were going on Bethel slang, not K-Ray and Ching Ching slang.
Ching Ching. And you got it fucked up. We didn't even say nothing about Keith.
We didn't even say shit about Kedra. We
Thank you
said
very
Bethel slang.
Bethel.
What is you talking about? Go look at our motherfucking video again.
You niggas
don't make a video about us again, motherfucker. Just know that.
Cause this motherfucker thing just got real.
Cause y'all niggas ruthless.
I'm about to shut.
Ruthless.
Shut.
Ruthless.
Tell me one more time.
Tell me again.
I'm about to shut.
Ruthless.
I don't believe y'all. I just don't. Cause this is just a terrible situation.
It's just sad, man. It's just really motherfucking sad
like,
how y'all did that to us, and we didn't do nothing to y'all, man.
If y'all was to make another video, I mean, like, we just gonna have to go in. Like,
we just gonna have. This ain't shit. This is the intro, man.
This is information.
This the
to
intro.
warn you. Please do not fucking interrupt our video. We're just talking about Bethel slang.
Exactly. We motherfucker, nigga. We trending topics of Bethel. You just think of it like that, motherfucker. Look. Everybody saying ruthless.
Ruthless.
Everybody saying freaky.
Freaky.
Everybody saying lil' cuz.
Lil' cuz.
Everybody saying, nigga, my nigga Mike got everybody about to say lil' dude. You know what I'm saying?
Face ass little
Face
kid.
ass little dude. That what you look. That what y'all was some face ass little dudes. That what the fuck. That's y'all. Some face ass little dudes. We got everybody doing all this shit. Everybody. The Blonde Nigga Nation. I mean, it ain't nothing freaky. It's just something we like to do. We like to let everybody know, man. We in this shit,
We got
man.
swag.
I swear.
Unlike you squares, goddamn.
Square ass kids.
It's just horrible for you guys.
I just can't believe you, K-Ray.
Ching Ching.
Ching Ching.
K-Ray.
Ching Chong.
Whatever.
Hong Kong. Whatever the hell your damn name is. I don't believe your ass.
Hey, hold up. I like that, bro. That was kind of nice, bro. Kind of remind me like on Friday when he was coming out. Big Perm, Big Worm, I don't give a damn.
Yeah.
That was
Big Perm, Big Worm on that.
Yeah.
Ching Chong, Hong Kong, I don't give a damn.
Yeah, bro.
That's you, motherfucker.
That is.
That's you. That's who you look like. You look like Big Worm. That's who the fuck you look like. K-Ray, you know who the hell you look like. You look like fucking Shrek or Donkey or Princess Fiona or some damn body. That's who the fuck you look like. You like a cast member. You look like Pam out Martin. That's who the fuck you look like.
Pam, damn. No, fool, no, not Pam. She more look like Chewbacca on Star Wars.
Or Shanae. Shanae. That's you.
Who you look
that's
like.
who the fuck
K.
you
Ray,
look like.
You look like Shanae.
Alright. But that's all we gotta say.
That's all
and we ain't through. I mean, nigga, we got plenty more videos to come. It ain't got shit to do with them, so y'all excuse our French, you know what I'm saying? This just a remake of what the fuck they had to say about me and my nigga, man.
Because we didn't do nothing.
We didn't do shit to him, man. So, you know, we had to go in. But we gonna catch up with y'all.
We gonna catch up. Hell now.
Hell now.
Freak ass little kids.
Little dude. I should have looked cuz y'all ass. You say something else, that's what the fuck I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look cuz your ass.
Shit out of y'all.
Alright, we out. Peace.